Hey guys, this is Sonia the RV DJ. Today we're going to show you the installation of the LASFIT LED switchback parking light bulbs number 7443 for my 2018 Colorado. So here on the passenger side of the vehicle, right in the front, you'll see that plastic piece. You'll have to take the plastic pop rivets out right where my finger is. There's one there. And there is also one off on the passenger side fender wall. You'll have to pop out along with two plastic pop rivets for the cooling hoses. And you'll be able to reach your hand in there. Right below the headlight cup, you'll feel the socket for the parking light. You just pull that out. It's a twist to pull that out and replace the bulb. These bulbs are one way, so if you install it and it doesn't work, just pull it out, switch it around, and put it in the right way and it will work. And you'll see here, once we test, there we go, that is the directional, which will flash yellow, and when it's not flashing it will stay a constant white. They are super bright bulbs. That's why they call them switchback, one for yellow, one for white. And then you just put everything back together in reverse order. Put the plastic pop rivets back in, pop your cooling hose back in there along the side, and you'll be good to go. We didn't put everything back together right away on the side because we wanted to make sure it worked first. On the driver's side, you'll see where I'm showing, you'll have to take the cup off, the waterproof cup off for the headlight first in order to gain access to the parking light socket. Don't lose that blue rubber gasket O-ring that goes around the headlight cup. That keeps the water out. And then right below there, you'll see the socket for the parking light. Just a one-way turn, pull it out, put the bulb in, make sure it's in the right way. Put the socket back in, turn it back the opposite way, and it'll click back into place. The driver's side is definitely a lot easier to do than the passenger side because it doesn't have those plastic pieces that you have to pop out. Sorry for the crazy camera work. I was doing this one-handed. So as you can see, we turned the bulb around and is now working the right way. Try the directional.
Oh wait, it's not gonna work.
There we go. That's the directional. Okay. And then you reverse the directions. Just pop it back in the socket, put the headlight cup back on, and you're done. And we'll show you what both of them look like together. Alright guys, so here we are done with the project. And here it is with the lights on. With the four ways. They turn yellow and then they go back to white. Neat little project, especially if you have a bulb that's burning out. And they are LED, like I said, they do have a CAN bus, so you will not get the hyper flash. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Once again, this is the installation of the LASFIT 7443 parking light bulbs on my 2018 Chevy Colorado. See you in the next one.